Hi everyone, this is Neelima. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Neelima Edutainment. In today's video, I'm going to share the real questions asked in the Cognizant ACE team technical assessment. This assessment included coding React, prompt engineering, RAG, and AI based questions. So, watch this video completely because these questions can really help you prepare for upcoming Cognizant assessments and interviews. Let's start with the first coding question. Question 1 was based on duplicate message detection, and in this problem, a messaging app needed to prevent sending duplicate messages within a time window k seconds. Okay, if the same message appeared again before k seconds, then it had to be marked as false, otherwise, true. Okay, this question mainly tested hash maps, dictionaries, time complexity, optimization, and edge case handling. Okay, the difficulty level of this question was medium. Candidates needed to carefully track previously delivered messages along with timestamps. This question was asked in uh, multiple languages. You can code in your preferred language. Okay, now moving to the second question, that is React budget tracker, which is front end question. Candidates had to build a budget tracker application. In this project, users could add income and add expenses and automatically calculate the balance. There was also a reset button to reset everything back to zero. The challenge mainly tested React, React hooks, okay? Especially use state component communication, input handling, and maintaining correct dataset IDs. The important thing was that negative or zero inputs should not update. This is an important thing. Should not update the totals. And this question was moderate level in difficulty and required proper React fundamentals. Now let's move to the third question. You can, if you want this PDF, just comment down. I will provide in the description box as well. Coming to the third question, uh, which was from prompt engineering. Okay, in this question, candidates needed to write a prompt that classifies job postings into junior, mid, senior, lead roles based on the title and job requirements. The prompt had to follow strict rules. Okay, here are the provided rules. The prompt must follow the rules and output only one label without any explanation, punctuation, or codes. Okay, This question tested prompt engineering skills, rule prioritization, and understanding of AI instructions. This is a very important question because cognizant AI roles are now focusing heavily on AI, okay, and generative AI concepts. Now let's go to the fourth question, which was from RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. This was one of the most important questions in the assessment. Candidates needed to implement a context assembler and prompt builder using Python. You can all okay Python. And the task involved removing duplicate document chunks, joining the content properly, truncating the context based on token limits, and validating prompt templates. Okay, this question mainly tested RAG pipeline understanding. Okay, understanding LangChain basics, prompt construction, and clean backend logic. The difficulty level was also medium to high compared to other questions. Okay, apart from these coding questions and implementation, there was also MCQs. Okay, from machine learning, cloud, prompt engineering, RAG, AI agents, and generative AI concepts. Some important topics included supervised learning, unsupervised learning, which means labeled, clustering, encryption, in transit, CI/CD, API gateways, microservices, LLMs, and structured outputs. Okay. Overall, the assessment focused more on practical implementation and AI related concepts instead of only traditional coding questions. If you are preparing for Cognizant A STEAM roles, then focus strongly on Python, React, prompt engineering, RAG, and AI fundamentals. I hope this video helps you understand the real pattern and difficulty level of the Cognizant A STEAM technical assessment. If you want a separate video on interview preparation, coding questions, React explanations, or complete interview experience for Cognizant AS roles, then comment down below. Thank you for watching.